Hello and welcome back to Glam Tones. My name is Gigi, and if you're new here, we do nail art and we try our best to keep it glam even when we're in our sweats. So if you are like us, go ahead and hit that subscribe button because there's going to be a lot more of awesome right here on this channel. And the awesome that we're making today is some really cute camo nails, but we're putting our own little twist on it. So I'm going to call them Glamo nails. And you'll see what I mean in just a bit. We're going to start by going ahead and painting all of these nails, blah, blah, words, painting all of these nails these really pretty colors. We started with the ring finger and it's that beautiful gold. That gold, by the way, is from Modelones. Then we're switching products over to LanFo. And if you're curious about LanFo, I will leave a link to the unboxing for these. It is a giveaway, but guys, that giveaway is over, so please do not be confused by that. There's going to be lots more giveaways, so definitely stay tuned. I can't wait to do my next one. Then we're going to come in. First, we did that khaki color. Then we're coming in with this real pretty kind of medium army green. And then on the thumb, we are going to go ahead and do a very rich, dark, foresty green. And all the khaki and the two greens, those are all from LanFo. Again, from LanFo. Okay, so here we go. We're going to go ahead and hit this one with the dark green. Okay, I just wanted to show you that pretty transfer foil that we're going to get to shortly. But before we do that, we're going to start our camo process. And that is going to happen on 3 of the nails. And I'm just dotting down the colors we're going to use. And then we're going to get started. And I don't know why I had a hard time picking which one I was going to use, but I did. So now, here's the thing about the camo nails. You have to trust your process, because they're not going to look good at first. You're going to go, what have I done? What is this Rorschach test on my nails? No, it's okay. I did not look at camo before I did this. I've seen camo a million times. I'm sure my blobs are not perfect, but I don't care. I'm doing my own version of camo, or Glamo, if you will. And so whatever shapes I make is what I make. And I'm not trying to actually do it perfectly. I think I was watching something right there and I missed that when I was editing. So sorry about that little pause. I was watching that show called 2-Sentence Horror Stories. It's kind of cute, guys. I like it. It's not super scary, so don't go in looking for that. But anyway, back to my blobs. Just make blobs. They don't have to be perfect. They don't have to look like anything that's specific. If you want to look at camo first and try to emulate that, please do. But we've all seen camo. It's just blobs, colored blobs on top of colored blobs. And that's what I tried to do, is just be super random with it. I let my brush bounce where it wanted to bounce and my hand go where it wanted to go. And with every color that you add, I think that's where you start to get that camo feeling. And I know you're probably thinking, what is she doing? I can see that gold there. Yes, yes you do. I figured, why does our camo have to be like real camo? Can't we just do our own actual thing? And so I think it came out pretty cute. You're gonna have to let me know if you agree. I'm gonna give you the Bernie Sanders speech right now. Maybe you disagree with me, but I think it came out pretty cute. You're not gonna disagree with me. You're gonna love it too. I'm also coming in and adding any extra of the first color that I think is needed before I do that second cure. And guys, like I wrote earlier, there was a little text on the screen, cure in between every color. Otherwise, you're gonna get a lot of mixing. You're gonna get a lot of the color spreading on the nail and maybe connecting with the other one in a way that you don't want it, because you want them to layer on top of each other in certain instances, not necessarily every single one. But if they're wet when you do that, it's really going to mess up your colors. So curing in between every single color. Every color layer you put down, you need to cure that, and a full cure, because can you see that I made a mistake there? And I picked up the light color with that brush, so I left it. It's going to be our ode to tie-dye in our camo colors. There you go. It's our ode to tie-dye. I don't know that it needed that. I'm trying to fix it there. It got a little more fixed, but you can still see that there's a little bit of that khaki color in there. So now here's where we get Glamo with it. We are going to go ahead and use the gold. And I think the gold perfectly complements these colors. I love how it looks together. There is hammering happening. I'm sorry about that. I live near humans, so I cannot control all the noises. That's why my dog was just barking, because some random person came to my door. He didn't knock though, he just walked up to the door and then walked away. It was kind of creepy, but I think he realized he was in the wrong place. That's the only thing I can imagine. But back to the gold. Look how pretty it is. I wasn't sure this is what I was gonna do, but I needed a third color, and as soon as I picked it up, I was like, yeah, this is the way I'm gonna go. And then the word came to my mind. I went, it's not camo, it's Glamo. I almost said Clamo. It's not Glamo. Okay, now these three, after everything got fully cured, these three are getting a base coat treatment, because just by nature, by the nature of these nails, by the blobby nature that they have, they're gonna be bumpy. And I know so many of my nail sisters hate bumpy nails. So base coat is for you. The other two nails are getting a transfer foil treatment. So they are getting the foil gel. That's by iMethod Beauty. Oh, and our base coat was by Morovan. And I'm just checking that it was sticking. Here we go, pressing down. Do we have it? Not quite. A little more pressing, a little more pressing, a little more rubbing. I like to add my whole finger down because I feel like the warmth of it sort of helps. And then boom, we have a pretty rose. Now there is still another rose there, so let's not waste it. Let's put it right there. I think it looks really cute, and I love the idea of a little floral with our Glamo. I know it is a little different, but it kind of gives me Betsy Johnson vibes. So I'm down with it. I really like it. I hemmed and hawed about it the whole time I was making the camo. I'm all, am I really going to use those roses? And then I'm like, yeah, I'm really going to use those roses. So you have to let me know if you think the roses and the Glamo combo work. I really think they do. I love this look. I would 100% wear this. Kind of wish I did it on myself now. I say that sometimes because it's true. I do so many different nail looks, and I can't wear them all. So sometimes I really wish I'd done it on myself. There was one a few weeks ago and I was like, why did I not put this on myself? Guys, this is the finished set. Let me know what you think of them in the comment section below. And thank you so much for spending some time with me today. You know how much I love that. So we are going to see you on Friday, which is going to be April Fool's. I'm not going to play any jokes on you, but I have a cool idea for nails. So hopefully I can pull it off. And no matter what I pull off, we will see you then. Mwah! Have a wonderful day. Bye-bye.